Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the left door hinge cover on this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw securing the hinge cover. With the screw removed, you can set the old cover aside. To install the new hinge cover, align it over the hinge, wires, and water supply tube, and thread the screw to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.